Alright fans, let's get up close and video of BOCEPHUS now that most everybody's gone from the show. Several trucks are still here. It's really nice looking trucks. One right there, a couple right there actually. But still here, haven't moved out yet, but most of them have. So we get again back to BOCEPHUS up close. So they bought this truck for $10,000 from the bank, been repoed. And then as a day cab, of course. And then they stretched it out. I think it's 310, maybe wheelbase. And then did the tanker. And the detail on this truck is just absolutely amazing. Painted the tanks with the edge of the knot. Ends. And then lights all down the tanker. The airline's back there. And lights under the tanker. Tri-state truck. This truck's from Texas. Troy Massey, the owner. He's on TikTok, Troy Massey. So they've got a couple trucks that are here, including that W9 that you can see right there in the corner. Like I said, this is BOCEPHUS up close. It is absolutely amazing in person. Looks great when the lights are on. Fabulous. You got the W9 started up, fixing to go back to Texas. They brought a SUV to drive around while they were here. Right there. And here's Hater Mate's truck. You got that married here on the property this weekend. A couple bottomly trucks. Nice fellow we talked to earlier that was in the show, and some more. They're here. But this is Bottomly Trucking Enterprises in Mount Airy, North Carolina. It's right off the interstate. Fabulous place. You should come see it. And right over there, they'll be in their very own chrome shop. The guys they have working here do some amazing work. So if you get a chance to check it out, or come down and check them out. But we're leaving, headed back home. You guys have a great day. Drive diesel.